Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So I got my Ipsy bag in, and I don't think I did an Ipsy haul last month or the month before, but I've had Ipsy for a long time. And so I thought I'd go ahead and show you what I got in this month's bag. So this will be October. Yes, we're in October, right? Yes, okay. So Ipsy has, looks like they have updated their bags. They're super cute. They have the fuchsia ones forever, and I'm so excited to see that they're kind of changing it up because change is good, right? And, this is super cute. Like, I really enjoy this bag. Like, it's like super darling, like the color. It's like, sherbet pink almost. I don't know what to call this, but anyway, so let's go ahead and dive in and see what I got, because everybody gets different thing. Not everybody, but you know, the Ipsy bags can differ based on what your settings are in your sorry, I'm having a hard time opening this. Okay, based on what you put in your little survey. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay. Looks like it's Betty Boop on there, I think, because I haven't even peeked at all, like in this month's, how they email you. So it has a B on there for Boop, I guess, like Betty Boop. So that's cute. Yeah, I mean, I think I was thinking something different for October, and this kind of feels like more summer bag, but, that's it. I give it to my kids or whatever. It's cute. But I really like the back. It has sequins all over the back. In fact, I wish it was all sequins on the, like this, like front and back. So, all right, so let's go ahead and see what I got on the inside. See what we got. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope. Okay. All right. So there's my little card. It says flaunt it. And there you go. Okay. So they sent me facial radiance pads. I have gotten these before, and honestly, I haven't even used them. And I've had these same, they sent me just a duplicate now. I have not used these. I've had them in my makeup, bag for probably, hate to say it, maybe 8 months, 9 months. I haven't used this. Facial radiance pads helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So, I should probably try it. I just haven't had used it. So, all right, so there's that. Okay. Then I got, it looks like a mascara, Betty Boop times Ipsy or something like that. Betty Boop, Ipsy Blink and Wink mascara. Oh, cool. I love mascara, you guys. I love mascara. So I'm excited about that. And that's a cute little packaging. Yeah, I love mascara. I really do. Let's see. Does it say anything about, does this open up? Okay. The, introducing a limited edition collection, and what color is this? This is, doesn't say the color. Anyway, I'll be excited to try that out. I love mascara. Okay, what is this? It Cosmetics, your skin but better color correcting full coverage cream. I think they've sent this to me before. Again, I feel like this is like a repeat or something, deja vu or something happening, because I think I already got this before, like a long time ago. And it worked really good. If this is exact same thing, I'm not sure. I do like It Cosmetics, definitely like it. I think I've had something like this before, but it's like a color correcting full coverage cream. So, it expires in April of 2021. And so yeah, I'll go ahead and give that a try as well. I like trying new different foundations and stuff like that, or any type of cream like that. And this says it's yeah. It says it's very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Place pea-sized dots onto your skin and blend it with a damp beauty sponge. I didn't even know that. So, okay, I have beauty sponges, so I'll use this with a damp beauty sponge. I had no idea. Okay. The color they sent me, just so you know, is called Fair. So, and I use the Bare Minerals for years and years. I love the Bare Minerals powder, their foundation. And my color is fairly light, so it's funny they sent me Fair, because I'm definitely, like, that is my, fairly light, like that's my good coverage for me, or good match, I should say. Okay, The next thing I got was leave-in conditioner by Mark Anthony. Leave-in conditioner. Okay. I know my hairstylist would like me to use more leave-in conditioner if you're watching. Hi, Ashley. So I love my hairstylist, but I barely use conditioner. I shampoo my hair every day. I wash my hair every day. I have to wash my hair every day, but I just barely shampoo it, and I need to. I really need to. And so Ashley's probably laughing if she's watching this because she knows. She's like, Sarah, I want you to use conditioner just a little bit, you know. I mean, it's more than not, you know. I mean, anything is better than not, right? So it's funny. We always joke about it, but okay, I'll try that. Leave-in conditioner. The last thing I got is, what is this? Basic Beauty. That's a beautiful color. Ooh. Jelly Blush. Look at that color, you guys. I'm going to try that on. Let's see. Do I have a makeup brush in here? Okay. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get up, get a makeup brush, and I'm going to try this on because this is gorgeous. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I have my Bare Minerals. Actually, I have a lot of makeup blush brushes. I grabbed the Bare Minerals one just so I just didn't even mean to, but because we were just talking about Bare Minerals, but I have the brush there. Okay, let me go ahead and try this on for you. I'm gonna do it without a mirror, and let's see how it looks. So this is definitely blush, right? Jelly Blush. Jelly Blush. So let's see how it looks. I'm probably putting too much on. Let me just double check here, guys. Oh yeah, that's beautiful color. Oh yes, you see that? Yes, I like that a lot. I love blushes, and I needed a new blush, so I'm really happy about this. That is my favorite thing in the bag, by far. By far, the blush. So Ipsy, if you're listening, please send me more blush. I love blush and I love mascara. So yeah, I'm not, you know, so much loving this here, but that's okay. You know, for $10, it's like totally fine. So, because I love this and I love this and I'm going to use this. So, oh yeah, and this is the It Cream. Yeah, this will come in handy when I need to like even out, you know, the skin, like I'm sunburned a little bit still because I was out chatting with my friend outside, literally, you guys, for 2.5 hours. And so I had my sunglasses on, so I still have like sunburn on my face. But yeah, so anyway, this girl likes to talk. I like to talk. Yes. All right. So anyway, guys, that is my Ipsy haul or my Ipsy subscription bag, box bag for October. And I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for being here and all your love and support. And I'll see you all soon with my next haul. All right, guys. So till next time, take care. See you all soon. Bye now.